Okay, today once again we are on to chapter 2 of our revision class or classes, Visual Mathematics SS3. It is the WIEC revision series, and today we'll be looking at chapter 2 of our work. And today we will focus on logarithm. Logarithm. We all know the basic rules of logarithm, and I always like to start the problem, and as the need arise, we give the relevant information. I trust that this session will be worthwhile to you. The 5 minutes question. Now, the trick here is this one. Log 4 base 2. Log 4 base 2 will be equal to log 2 to the power of 2 base 2. Alright, so this will now give you what? 2 log 2 base 2, which is equal to 2. Because recall that log a base a is equal to 1. That's the important thing you need to remember. Also remember that log a raised to the power of b base anything, any call it x, will be b log a base x. Are we following? So that's how that thing goes. So take note of these two things. If you go to number 2 now, log 1000 base 10. You try to see how many 10s you can get from this. This will be log 10 raised to the power of 3 base 10. This will be 3 log what? 10 base 10. In fact, if you have written this, you can just go straight ahead and write 3. You'll be correct. Question 3, log 25 base 5. That will be log 5 to the power of 2 base 5, which will be equal to what? 2 log 5 base 5. What is that? 2. You see that it's straight, it's very, very straightforward. Now, let's look at question 4. In question 4, you have log 81 base 3. That will be log 3 to the power of 4 base 3, which will be 3 log 3, and that will be what? 4. Now, some students will use another method. There's also another method the student can choose to use. Look at 5. Let me just use that method. The student can say, let this be equal to x. They now say 12 to the power of x equal to 144, 12 to the power of x equal to 20 to the power of 2, and x will be equal to 2. The student can use this approach. You are correct. But I always tell students, sometimes when it comes to mathematics, don't always just say, I want to use what is comfortable for you, because some questions might tie you to a particular method. Like if I'm an examiner and I'm setting questions, I can tie you to a particular method. I will not tie you there. So if you have that kind of, in preparing for this exam now, you must bear in mind that you have different examiners and they have different ways to set questions. For instance, in quadratic equations, they might say solve by factorization. Some might say solve by completing the square. And maybe you only know how to solve by completing the square. I don't know how to, or maybe you only know how to use formula. You now say you should solve by factorization. You discover that you have failed that question. But factorization method is also very, very important because you will need that idea when you're handling algebraic fractions. So please, as you prepare for this exam, don't say this is a method I know and this is what I must use. No. as I introduce methods, understand when I overly emphasize the particular method, please try to stick to it, because by the nature of my experience, I may feel that that method might be what the examiner will want to play with. Right, so that's that for number one. That's that for number one. So now also solve for me question 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Let's solve 16 to 20. 16 to 20. The questions here are quite interesting. 16. And question 20. Log 25 base 0.2. So let's attempt these questions. Now please remember that I'm not just teaching. This is the log 0.001, if I got that right. Base 10. The base 100. Now I can now say 100, let this be equal to x. So 100 raised to the power of x will be equal to 0.001. What is this? 10 raised to the power of 2x equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Sometimes this method, like with my experience, I can look at the question and decide which method will be best for me. Now this will now be what? 2x equal to minus 3 and x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Now question 17. In question 17 you have log 1 over 27 base 9. So this will be equal to x. So 9 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over 27, which means that 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3. Notice that these things you must know them. 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 3 raised to the power of minus 3. 2x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 3 over 2. Interesting. The same kind of answer. Question 18. Log 0.0625 base 8. Now, I'll say log 0.0625 base 8 is equal to x. So 8 raised to the power of x is equal to what? 625 divided by 10,000. 4 decimal places, 4 zeros. So you see, my solution now, based on what I'm thinking can be a way out. Explain I use a different method, and you are correct. So this is the 2 raised to the power of what? 3x equal to, if I reduce it, this will be 1 over 16. To confirm that, I know it's 1 over 16. To confirm that, so this is the 2 raised to the power of 3x equal to 2 raised to the power of minus 1. 2 raised to the power of 3x is equal to 2 raised to the power of minus 4, and x is equal to what? Minus 4 over 3. That's for question 18. So let's look at question 19. Right, question 19 here. Log 1.728. This is 1.2. This is 1.2. Right, question 20 here. Log 25 is 0.2. So with this, we're going to have that log 1.2 raised to the power of 3. Check that. 1.2 raised to the power of 3 will give you this answer. I know that. So for me, I will have that this will be 3 log 1.2 is 1.2, and that will be 3. So practice has helped me. Now for this one, I'm going to have log what? 25. This 0.5 is 1 over 5 equal to x. Conversion of decimals to fraction. See how these things are going. Discover that sometimes you solve a problem. Previous knowledge is what is very important. It needs to now be what? 1 over 5 all raised to the power of x is equal to what? 25. This will be 5 raised to the power of minus x equal to what? 5 raised to the power of what? 2. So if negative x is equal to 2, it means that x definitely must be equal to negative 2. If a good thing is equal to a bad thing, it means that the bad thing is equal to a good thing. Just logical arguments. Okay, I trust you had a nice time today with our class. We just started chapter 2, and then we hope to finish chapter 2 in our next class. It's basic revision. We hope to be able to cover chapter 2 and chapter 3 tomorrow. They are not very long topics, so we are trusting that we'll be able to finish them, and that's how it's going to go all the days. Thank you for joining us, and God bless. It's not.